Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, I'm super excited to dive into one of the most thrilling frontiers of technology, artificial general intelligence, or AGI. As we all know, AGI represents a giant leap forward in the realm of artificial intelligence, aiming to mimic human-like intelligence across a wide array of tasks. So, buckle up as we explore the amazing potential AGI holds for revolutionizing industries like healthcare, transportation, and manufacturing, while also tackling the ethical considerations that accompany its development. Unlocking potential across industries. Imagine a world where AI systems have the ability to diagnose diseases with unmatched precision, optimize traffic flow to slash congestion and emissions, and overhaul manufacturing processes for maximum efficiency and sustainability. AGI has the power to turn this dream into a reality, driving innovation and supercharging human capabilities in various fields. Enhancing healthcare. In the realm of healthcare, AGI could empower doctors and medical professionals with cutting-edge diagnostic tools, personalized treatment plans, and predictive analytics, ultimately leading to improved patient outcomes and countless lives saved. From drug discovery to patient care, AGI has the potential to truly revolutionize the healthcare industry. Transforming transportation. Picture a future where autonomous vehicles powered by AGI seamlessly navigate our roads and skies, making travel safer, more efficient, and accessible to everyone. Whether it's self-driving cars or aerial drones, AGI-driven transportation solutions have the potential to completely revolutionize how we get around, reducing accidents, congestion, and changing the way we move goods. Revolutionizing manufacturing. In the world of manufacturing, AGI-driven automation could optimize production processes, slash waste, and bolster quality control. From smart factories to robotic assembly lines, AGI has the potential to revolutionize manufacturing by streamlining operations and fostering innovation at every turn. Ethical considerations and societal impacts. But hey, let's not forget, with great power comes great responsibility, right? The development of AGI raises some serious ethical concerns and societal impacts that we need to address head-on. We're talking about things like potential job displacement due to automation, algorithmic bias, and the risk of power becoming too concentrated in the hands of a select few tech giants. It's absolutely crucial that we approach the development and deployment of AGI with transparency, fairness, and accountability at the forefront of our minds. So folks, if you're as stoked about the incredible potential of AGI as I am, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of technology. Together, let's build a future where AGI benefits all of humanity. When it comes to the ethical implications of AGI, we're entering some pretty uncharted territory. It's essential to consider how these systems might impact society as a whole. One biggie is the potential for job displacement as automation becomes more widespread across various industries. While AGI has the potential to create new job opportunities, it's vital that we ensure those affected by technological advancements are supported through retraining and education initiatives. Moreover, we need to address the issue of algorithmic bias. AI systems might inadvertently perpetuate or even worsen existing inequalities and prejudices. By actively promoting diversity and inclusivity in AI development teams and implementing rigorous testing and oversight processes, we can work towards mitigating these biases and ensuring that AI systems are fair and equitable. Regulatory challenges. As AGI continues to advance, our regulatory frameworks need to evolve accordingly. Establishing clear guidelines and standards for the development and deployment of AGI is crucial for ensuring its safe and responsible integration into society. This will require collaboration between governments, industry stakeholders, and academia to develop comprehensive policies that balance innovation with ethical considerations. Transparency and accountability. Transparency and accountability are absolutely non-negotiable. AI systems must be transparent in their decision-making processes, allowing users to understand how and why certain decisions are made. Additionally, we need to establish mechanisms for accountability to hold developers and users of AGI accountable for any unintended consequences or harm caused by these systems. Education and awareness. Last but definitely not least, education and awareness are key. We need to ensure that society is prepared for the emergence of AGI. By promoting AI literacy and fostering a deeper understanding of the opportunities and challenges associated with AGI, we can empower individuals to engage in informed discussions and